In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change phone number on Fidelity. Keeping your phone number up to date is essential for receiving security alerts, trade confirmations, and important account notifications without delay. I'll walk you through the process on both the mobile app and the website. The steps are essentially the same, and I'll point out small interface differences as we go. Start by logging into your Fidelity account using the app or the website. Make sure you're on a secure connection, and if you use the app, that it's updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Have your two-factor authentication method handy in case you're prompted to verify your sign-in. Once you're in, open the main menu and head to Profile or Profile Settings. On the website, you'll typically find this near the top right of the page under your account or profile icon. In the app, look for your profile image or a menu labeled More, then select Profile or Settings from there. In your profile, locate the contact information section. It may also be labeled phone number or something similar. This area collects all the ways Fidelity can reach you, including your primary phone number for security texts or calls. Select your current phone number to open its details, then choose the option to edit or update. You might see an edit button, a small pencil icon, or an update link. If multiple numbers are listed, such as mobile and home, pick the one you want to change. Enter your new phone number carefully, including the full area code. Avoid extra spaces or special characters if the field doesn't accept them. When you continue, follow the on-screen prompts to verify the change. Fidelity typically sends a code by text or makes an automated call to confirm you have access to that number. Keep your phone nearby, make sure it has a signal, and enter the code exactly as shown. If you still have access to your old number, it's best to complete this verification before deactivating it. After you've verified, save your updates, look for a Save, Submit, or Confirm button, and wait for a success message. Take a moment to double-check that the new number now appears in your contact information. If your number is used for two-factor authentication, you may be asked to re-verify it the next time you sign in. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. And that's it. Your phone number has been successfully updated, ensuring you continue to receive important Fidelity notifications without interruption.